Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add your own domain name to Odoo. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my dashboard on my database. I have only one database, which is just fine for this tutorial. However, for each database, you're going to need to set up a different domain. Now, the way that you do this is, of course, by accessing the Domains tab or the Domains menu. So let's just go over, click on our account icon in the top right, and click on My Databases. This is going to place us here. And what we're going to do here to add a domain, of course, you should have a domain already ready for this. You can choose a domain through Odoo as well. However, if you want to connect your own domain, you should have it ready and you should have access to your DNS settings. So once you're here, just click on the database name that you want to add the domain to, then go into domain names. As you can see, you can choose to either use your own domain or get a domain name. In this case, just choose use my own domain, enter the domain that you already have, and then just confirm it and you're done, and that's pretty much it. Now, Odoo does generate a certificate automatically using the integration with this, whatever it is, and you should simply just have to add your domain name in your customer portal, and a separate certificate is generated for each domain, and that is pretty much it. And yeah, there's nothing else to add. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.